This tutorial is designed to give you a brief overview of the project view in iMindMap 7. Here's an example map that I've already created. The project management features can be found in two places, Project View here and the Project option on the side panel here. When you access Project View, you'll notice that all of your child branches are presented as tasks. You can prevent a branch from being shown as a task by unchecking the Enable for Project Management option like so. Your parent branches have become overview bars to a task. When you move the time span of a task, you can see that the overview bar moves in accordance. By encompassing the tasks below them, they help you to see a general overview of when that particular set of tasks will be completed. When you first enter Project View, you can see that all of the dates of the tasks have been defaulted to branch creation date, probably today. You can change this either by selecting the date in the list and changing it like so, or you can change it on the Gantt chart itself. The same applies for changing the deadline of the task. If you want to monitor the completion status of a task, you can do this manually by accessing the completed column and typing in a percentage. You can also change it on the Gantt chart itself. All of these can also be changed by selecting a branch and accessing the Project option on the side panel and going to the General tab. Here you can change the name, duration, start date, end date, completion status and priority of the task. The predecessor's task is useful if your tasks rely upon each other for completion. Without a predecessor task, a task can move wherever it wants. To create a predecessor, select the task and add a predecessor using the plus sign. You can then choose one from the drop-down menu. There are many different options. Start to start, for example, means that the task cannot start before the predecessor. There's also start to end to start, and end to end. To remove a predecessor, simply select it and hit the minus button. The Resources tab details what resources you'll need for your task. You can add them manually by selecting plus and manually typing it in. You can also load from Outlook.